Thanks for joining this training. My name is Jack Hopman, and today you're going to learn something new. And before we go in too much detail, I need kind of your input. And I'm trying to put that on the screen now. I'm not the best, I have to say. Guys, see my notepad? Do you see this? Do you see this? Okay. Are you guys seeing this? Now, okay. I need all of you, and I mean all of you. What is the number one problem for you to succeed? What is the number one problem? Tell me. What is the number? Lazy? No, you're not lazy. Take action. Focus. Prospecting. Getting clients. Get clients. Okay. Funnel. So let's make this easier. So we structure your answers. Okay. Now, is your number one problem getting clients, or is your number one problem providing the service? Or is it finding a service that pays me monthly, or for all the above? So I see a lot of for getting clients, for all the above, for all the above. Automation, technical overwhelmed, yeah. Getting clients, providing the service, Marta. Okay. Who like to learn in this hour all the above? How to get clients, how to provide the service, how to find the service where you get paid monthly with an initial fee. Me. Okay. So are you ready? Because you will you need to catch up, okay? You need to catch up. Okay. Let me go back. Now, send me the Bitcoin. I like you. Now, I already expected, being in business since 2009, that getting clients is kind of the crucial thing, to become successful. You need somebody to pay you for your service. Now, there are several ways to get clients, and whatever works for you is fine. But to me, I would kind of have a blueprint. A blueprint, what is detailed, what I need to do. Every step, kind of. Which email to use, how to respond it, where to go, how to bid, what to ask, which service to provide. Those kind of things. So you kind of have a blueprint. Are you guys familiar what a blueprint is? Okay. So can you guys see this bottom one page of 70? Guys, you see this? You see how many pages it is? So let me scroll through this report. 70 pages. You couldn't read that fast, correct? Can't see anything. Guideline. Yeah. So we created a blueprint. But if I scroll it slower, you guys see how detailed this is? Huh? With screenshots, what you need to say, what you need to do. Huh? I don't know. I don't want to read all the 70 pages. That takes far more than an hour. But this is what you get. This blueprint is at your fingertips. This is a college course. Yeah, you can man, but it's kind of a blueprint. Do this, do that, do that. And the goal is to get clients. That is the goal of this blueprint. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, in this blueprint, can't learn that in college. Yeah, I think you're right. I didn't learn that at college. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, there are bullet points or step plans, which email to use, all kind of things. Now, the most important part is if you follow that blueprint that you get results, correct? And somebody said, uh, I'm lazy. Yeah, this is not for lazy people, okay? This is for people who want to succeed. Now, think about this. What kind of service you can provide, or are clients willing to pay your initial fee plus monthly? Think about it. So, which kind of service are clients to pay initial fee plus monthly? Julian said SEO, video marketing, lead gen site, traffic. Will you be finished in 45 minutes? We'll have to leave. Francis, I think you leave better now. If that is your main goal, then you're not engaged. Okay, SSL, maps, lead gen. Sam, videos. Yeah. I think that I saw some good AdWords I like a lot, huh? I don't think videos will give you initial amount and monthly. Could be, but if they generate leads, that's something different. But hosting and website for sure will give you also initial fee for the setup and for the maintenance. But what do you think about? We live in 2018, correct? And local businesses are struggling. They get competition from online. Okay? So, um, they need to move on too. When I was in a management training, I think it's now about 10 years ago or so, they put me in the question. They put me the question. If your business is running well, do you need to change something? That was the question. And my answer, I didn't know the answer. To be honest, I was kind of thinking, what kind of business do, or what should he do if the business is already running well? And you know what the answer was? And when you get it, it's easy. Because the environment, the world changes, the technology changes, everything changes, then you need to change too, correct? You need to adapt to the new world. Otherwise, your business will not do well over time. If other businesses are moving, adapting to the new situation, and you do not, then you will lose that competitive that proposition to do well. Okay, now so we live in 2018. What is really going on for local business? What is the kind of the thing about them what they have to step up at the moment? Okay, let me tell you because I don't think you guys get it at this point. Yeah, Carmen said Amazon. Do people, do business like to put their products on Amazon? No, they don't like that. They get all competition and then you get in a price war, correct? You want to have your own local business, own local website, own e-com website, sorry. Okay? You want to send your customers to your e-com site, correct? E-com store. Now, would you think that businesses are willing to pay you for to set up the e-com store and to maintain it? Do you think businesses are willing to pay for that? Yeah, they do. They do a lot. They understand the new situation and they want to adapt to it. Now, the problem used to be, for you at least, that setting up an e-commerce site is very difficult. Who of you guys have ever done this? Set up an e-com site on a custom domain, not something like, thing like Shopify and have it not branded. No, the business want on their domain name, they want to have their customers independent. Okay? So who would like to learn this in 1 hour? Let's say order a domain name, set up the store, and upload some products. Is that possible? If I can do this in 40 minutes, would you feel comfortable that you can do it in a day? Yeah, that's huh? Yeah, I think so, correct? So this report describes how to get those clients for local business, okay? For local business who wants an e-commerce site. Now you have to provide the service where you get paid initial fee. It takes a fee and they pay monthly. So then we are back in all the above. Getting clients, providing service, and find the service that pays you monthly. That's the position you want to be in. Okay. Now I have never this done live. Okay. It might fail. Okay. But I feel comfortable that you will see the end result. Okay. So it's all new today. It's a busy day. You guys see this e-com site? Very clean. Nice headers. You can list your products. Nice footer. Okay. And you can customize it to your like. Okay. Now the question is, now you can change the logo and all kind of things. But let me put to work and I go in details because I only have 40 minutes still left. Okay, within the gateway, there's a new top menu. You guys see this? Ecom. Guys, see this? It's new. It's ecom. It's new. Some of you don't know WP Gateway, but most do. It's ecom. Now you can order a domain name. Okay, I waited too long. Let me log in back. We're going to order a domain name. Okay. Tell me a nice domain name. Order domain. Then let's say the e local barber shop in my let's say Boca Raton. Okay, I don't know if it is available. Okay, so that is the local barbershop is the website name of the business, and I put just an e before. Okay, so it's available, and I click next. Okay, now the domain gets ordered. Okay, who can order domain? Who can do this? Everybody. Enter yes or no. So that is the easy step. Now, once the domain is ordered, okay, when you go to domain overview, okay, you will see is inactive, correct? Because it needs to get it gets propagated. If you have already the name, just link it to WP Gateway. You see here, link domain. Somewhere is this install, transfer, link your domain. Okay, you link your domain to WP Gateway. Now, and then you want to install an ecom site. Now, we will do that at the end because it takes propagation time. What you will end up with is such a website. Now, for you, it's important how it looks inside. So you guys see this? You have products, catalogs, design, sales, setting, customer, changelog. You guys see this? Enter yes or no. You see the back end. I don't know if it's timeout when I do something, but it's super simple. Now, it acts, you guys are familiar with WordPress. This ecom site also have updates button. You click on new updates, and now general fix updates warning, and you click on update. So it's not only that you get an ecom website and it stopped working after the refund period. No, you get a notification in the backend, and you click on one button, and the ecom site get to the latest version. How cool is that? A never outdated e-commerce site. So this enables you to pay monthly, correct? They need everything is changing. Google is changing, browser is changing, PHP code is changing, everything is changing. Okay, now this is the latest step. So there are some settings. You set up your payment gateway. So the products can get sold. They need a Stripe, Authorize, or PayPal account. So it's a real, how do you say that, business in the box thing, correct? Set up the payment system. You upload your products. You delete the default products. You upload your own products. You define your categories. Okay, find your categories, and you have those. You set up your site template. You can choose if you want a furniture layout or whatever. You have different site, your logo, banner image, site accent manager. You just follow the menus. Let's say the top menu. Let's say it has a blog page. You guys see blog page. Okay, you can actually link it to an external site. But you have, oh, no, I'm logged out. No. Then let's say you want to edit the home page. Okay, and call it somewhere my home. Okay, where? Okay, so you update it. Then the footer headings. Okay, and change those. Policy page, coupons, orders. You can see the orders. Now, this is not local team jack, Tim. This is completely new. It's completely new. There's nothing with local team jack. This is a new application. Sales, product sales. So it's very customizable, but kind of. Is this WordPress? No, it is not WordPress. But I'm used to WordPress interface. I checked out many e-commerce sites and I did not like the interface. I didn't like. Okay? I did not like. So about a year, my clients were asked for, Jack, I want an e-com site, and I tried several, and I never get a good feeling about the user friendly. So I hired a programmer since a year, and he's working on it. Okay, and it will all show those stats and all those kind of things. What do you think? It has quick steps. What you still need to do? Okay, so it has everything. With that e-commerce site, you take care of two things. We can upload files. Yes. Okay, let me do this. You see, add the product of upload products. You can upload products from a CSV file. You can sell digital products. Okay, you can put anything on that e-com site. Is this different than websites that have an e-com template for the website? Yes, that is. Those are, how do you say this? Let me try to find words. You cannot use WordPress for this. You cannot implement a nice e-com site in a WordPress environment. But I kind of like from WordPress the menus, your top menu, kind of like some elements from WordPress. I'm used to how WordPress works. So I kind of like how the interface works in the backend. But the flexibility is not there. Okay? Does the e-com site load fast? Yes, it's all taken care of. So the payments, you have settings, SEO and tracking, mailer setting, email templates, currency setup, for USA, United Kingdom, Euro, private, contact, all kind of things. Can it do monthly recurring? Yes, it can. So let me edit the product. Product recurring. You see this? It has a shopping cart. Of course it has a shopping cart. Guys, see this? Product. It's a full 100% shopping cart. It's not a simple WordPress theme. So let's say you like this product. You choose the color and add to cart. Okay, and now you can check it out. So it has many elements what Amazon also it has many elements what Amazon also applied. Okay? So it kind of has the same flow. It doesn't have the same thing, but can it be used for Amazon? It is not linked with Amazon. Okay. You cannot do, okay, I have an Amazon product, I can put it in it. No. Okay, it has all those, how do you say it, policies for various settings, sales, site setup, policy pages. Okay, so if it is GDPR, you have all those policy pages, correct? So you up those to your like. Okay, so what I wanted to say is, Paul already said it. I have played with it, Jack. I found it very intuitive, yes. And that is kind of, where does the fulfillment? Okay, here is the fulfillment exists of you setting the e-com site. Now, I bet, Michael, before this webinar, you would have a hard time to install a dedicated e-com site on a domain, correct? Then the next step is you set up the products and you maintain it kind of monthly for the business. Now, this fulfills two things. One is you get initial payment for setup, and second one is you get paid monthly. So let's go back where we started. Do you want to get paid monthly? Do you want to find clients which are in high need of a service? This all covers that. It's kind of an eye-opener, correct? But you haven't had never the right tool in your hands. Does that make sense? Can you set some products as dropship and some products as digital? Yeah, oh, 1 second. Let me go to the product settings. Okay, here's the regular product settings. You can have the text. You link the product to a certain brand, a category. You do the SEO stuff. Okay, you upload the images of the products. You can specify specification, and you can add multiple specification. Do you guys see this? So if a product has several specifications, you can add the specifications like size and color, whatever. Okay, you can add details, label, and so related items. So if you go to the shopping cart and they show this product, you can show related items to that product and so forth. You can add frequent questions. Okay. Christoph says, set me up. I'm doing $30,000 per month in ecom now on a custom platform. Yes. Do we use the team itself to sell the ecom service, or no? You can get an ecom. If you want to get an ecom, if you want an ecom site, client getting website, okay, that is an optional. Okay, that's optional. Can any field to be filled from a CSV file? That is a good question. I don't know. I know you can upload products, but you also have special fields, and I need to check if those are also the extra fields. Is this only for physical products? No, it can be any product. The deliverability is up to you. If you want a download link, you show a download link, correct? If you want to send them an email with the deliverable, you send them an email. Can it be installed on outside the WordPress gateway? No. But the main website, let's say the company has a main website, abc.com, that can stay on their provider if they want. And you can do the subdomain or the directory on the gateway. Second solution is you just put an E before the main domain, okay? And you link it the company website to the ecom website. Can the template to modify to look the feel and the store? Yes, it is very customizable, very. Okay. So banner image, site color accent. You say choose. Let's say my store is kind of blue. Update, but you can choose any color. Okay. And then let's put this here. And now it's all right. I need to take this away, otherwise you don't see the front end. Okay, now you see the blue accent color. You can put another logo, and now it's everything blue. And if you compare this with the previous, everything is green, correct? There is not so much color in the theme, okay? Very simple, but you can customize the few images and some accent. And that is how you want to, that is 2018, correct? A very clean interface. Okay? How do local businesses compete with Amazon if the products are same or similar? Okay. So a local business has their own clients. Correct? They don't want to send it to Amazon. They want to, let's say they have their own database and they want to send them to their e-com site. If they have an e-com store, they can send traffic to their e-com site. They don't want to send traffic to the Amazon site. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, let me check if the domain is propagated. I hope so. Not. Okay. So we still wait 10 minutes, and otherwise I will choose another domain name. But this is mostly for business who have physical products, right? Kind of, yes. But you can mix it up. You can use it for yourself too. Okay? If you want to have an e-com store with several services, you can create it now. Okay. You're probably wondering how to get it, correct? Variations. Yeah, you have variations here. If you want sales, we have some site template. Okay, you can say, I like more this kind of setup. Okay, now you change the design by this kind of setup. Okay, and the labels are a little bit different. Okay, and you just start with the ones you kind of what fits your need, and from that you're going to add it. Okay, variations like in the products. You also have variations like size, color, all kind of things. Specifications. So if you want to say this product has this and this and this dimensions, okay, specifications. Then you can also have details, okay, where you can label them. simple text format, okay? You can, let's say you want to run a special in the checkout page, they can add the coupon. Okay, so let's say you run a special and they say, hey, enter this coupon and you get so much discount. So it all makes sense. Just have to play a little bit. How would you charge to add the products? At least $1,000. At least. They are my source, what is in the client get report, they bid easily from $1,000 to $2,000. And then you charge them monthly for the maintenance. Okay? Shipping cost is at the moment a fixed price. Okay? Later on, we will integrate with UPS and FedEx. Okay, now what I wanted to show. Oh, this one. This, you guys have this link. I emailed it earlier. So, how to get clients, pay your initial fee, and also pay monthly. Okay. So here's a quick demo how it all works here, how to install it. And also, it's only $27. Peanuts. Okay, I'm telling you, it's peanuts what you get. And then the client get a report. The client get a report. It's now listed as a bonus, but at some point I will sell it as a product. It's that good. Okay. The value of the $27, only the client get report is more worth than the $27. Okay. You can install it on your own domain. You are not linked or bounded. Alonso said the client getting report is good. I read it already. Gilbert said you give it away. Unbelievable. Yeah. I think you're right. I think you're right with that. If you already have the gateway, the button will appear, yes, but you still need access to it. Okay. I think I after the launch I will make it as a product. Okay. So don't worry. Let's see if the domain is propagated. Does customers have any integration with the software? You can decide, okay, if you want to give access or not. Okay, you can create users. I will show it to you. So I hope the domain is propagated. Otherwise, we will. It's not propagated yet. So what we will do is we will use an existing domain. Okay, so let's say we go to ecomcate. Ecomcate is the domain what is propagated, and then we go to ecom install. Okay, you select the cPanel. Where is it? The big gateway ecomcate, and then you select the domain. Okay, you can install it on the subdomain or directly to your like. So if you want the main website to be the company website and the subdomain the ecom site, then you choose this. Okay, you enter the username, password, first name, last name, and then I can only do this one time. Then you click on the install. Are you guys ready? Click on install, and now the ecom site get installed. Okay, who of you guys can do this? Click on the install button. Select the cPanel, select the domain, and then click on the install button. That's all what you need to do to install a new e-com site. Does that make sense? It is really made one-click easy. And then once you get a login, and then you upload the products, you set up the payment gateway, you upload the products, and then you're in business, correct? Now, you see how long it took? Okay, click on it, and that is the site, correct? It's amazing. It's amazing how simple that has been made. You don't need any technical skills. Okay, then let's log in. Okay, let's delete this all. Okay, otherwise I get confused. Then you get the username and password. And you log in. Can we find lead finder jack to find prospects for that? Yes, you can. And as bonus, you get a list of about 100 niches which you can prospect. So 100 niches, that's quite a bit, correct? You see, this is all the quick start. You upload. You guys see this new update button? So when there's a new update, you update to the latest version, etc., etc. Okay? Now, where it really comes in is ecom website. Okay, now we just did the Kate one. You see here the login? Here's the login. You can add more users to it. cPanel login, FTP login, okay, emails, etc., etc. And this gets backed up automatically for you guys. You can sell videos and everything, okay? Okay, go to the product setting. Where is the product setting? Product setting. So let's do first updates so you see the latest interface. And instead of, you can show a screenshot of the video, but can also show a demo video. Okay, how cool is that? You can start your videos. Let me show you in a sec. It's updated to the latest version. You go to products, change, images, and then here you can drop the video link. Instead of an image, you drop here the video link. And now on the image page, it will show the video. Okay, and you still have the same checkout button and everything. You just put a demo stamp on a demo video, but to get a real video, they need to buy it. How cool is that? Tell me what you think. I'm here to answer your question. This is cool, correct? Yes, it is. Brilliant. Wow. Very good. You didn't expect it when you started this call, correct? So, I feel like a calf at the new gate. What are the limitations? It's you. You have to get your hands on. Can I build unlimited stores? It goes per domain name, correct? It's not that thing, but you always bring the best. You are consistent. No, Paul, you don't need to cancel if you bought from another marketer. Okay, don't worry. Always too good to be true. Yeah, took a long time. Okay. Okay, now I hope one thing, if that domain name is propagated. Let's see if it is. It's not propagated yet, so I cannot do it on this domain, but it will propagate it and then you install it. Will be the same process. Now let's refresh the page. I don't think that will happen. I think I did already that. Yeah. So I want to go back where we started. Did you learn, or now it's maybe it's not the right word, learn, because you still need to get access to, correct? So do you feel comfortable with the blueprint that you can get clients? Do you feel comfortable that you can create an e-com site? Do you feel comfortable to say with an e-com site I can ask an installation fee and I can ask a monthly fee? Do you feel comfortable to get your hands on it? So the installation, at least $1,000. Don't do it less than $1,000. Okay? I kind of forbade you, correct? Makes no sense to do less than $1,000. So small e-com site $1,000, big e-com site $2,000, maybe certain niches. Okay, then what was the second thing? Do you feel comfortable that how do you say that? I would say 100 products for $1,000. Does that make sense? 100 products, and then if they go to 1,000 products, you ask $2,000. Okay. With Shopify, you still are linked to their platform. Now you have your own domain art. Local business want to show their own domain. They don't want to show on Amazon. Okay. Now, where we are with this? Where is it host? That is a good question, Francis. It's actually hosted on Amazon servers. Yeah, that is funny, correct? That is funny. Yeah, that is the gateway are running on Amazon servers. Okay, so with that said, give it a try. Think you guys have. Tell me if you need the link. Let me go back to Chrome. localecomprofits.com. The link is on the gateway. Oh no, is on Jack Hopman, I mean. You install these one-clicks local ecom sites, get access to it. Can we connect it up to autoresponder that is coming, Paul? Okay. So, but as you will notice, as a simple update thing. So easy. The ecom site needs to get run on the gateway, otherwise the updates and all those features will not work. Okay, you get a client getting report what is on itself $27 worth, more than that. Okay, this is a package on itself. $27 for this is just an incredible deal. It will be much more after the launch, believe me. Probably I'm going to split up the ecom side with the client getting report. The client getting report is really good. Okay, so with that said, no, it's not $27 per month, Tom. I should. Okay. Where's the link to purchase? Okay, here's the link. Okay. Anybody else needs a link? Duplicator is not extra, correct? It's just a platform to have it run on. Otherwise, all those things, all those features don't work, the updates. Okay, so girls at purchasing now. Yes. Okay. The ecom site needs to run on WP Gateway, otherwise all those features will not work. Okay, but you don't need. You can have the main domain on another server, but as a subdomain. Or what you can do is you put an E for the business domain, and then you link to them. What do you suggest for a recurring fee? At least $197. At least. You probably have 1 hour work with it, so I would not charge less than at 197. I would not. Okay, WP Gateway is included in the deal, correct? So, but it need a platform. Okay, so thanks everybody for joining this call. Probably when you check out this week, I get some more questions. So I will do next week, Tuesday, more training. And so you get more familiar with it, set up some products, show you how to sign up clients and all those kind of good things. So thanks everybody for joining the call. Take advantage of this special deal. And I look forward to see you next Tuesday, same time, 8 p.m. EST. Thank you so much.